I'm Sam.
And I'm Chris.
I'm Stella.
And we are the Watkins Project. Today we decided to go to Rove Estates out on Leelanau Peninsula. Rove is a quick drive from Traverse City right in the southern part of the Leelanau Peninsula.
We were still a ways away from peak fall colors, but we were starting to get some nice pretty colors out on Leelanau Peninsula. We're here!
Rove has a nice charming winding drive up to the top of the hill. They have vines on each side of the road. It's a really cool place.
Rove has a great vibe. It's kind of modern, cabin-esque. It's an awesome blend of modern and traditional, with great lighting coming in. Sam and I have loved this place ever since it first opened up. Also, one of Stella's best friends happened to live here.
Who is that, Stella? Rover! Rove is unique in the fact that they either let you do a tasting of 5 1-ounce pours, or a flight of 4 3-ounce pours, or a flight of 4 ciders.
A good old flagship. Top of the palette as I finish. You know, never look her.
This one's excellent. Some cool climate Sauv Blancs can get like caffeine notes. This one does not have that. Not that that's something a flaw in the wine or anything, but it can be a little off-putting if it's too strong.
You're off-putting.
This is really good.
Can you put it on 14%?
14?
Mm-hmm.
Good night. It's 14% alcohol, which is very rare up here. Who knows what these mad scientists are doing?
I was gonna say, well, is it good or bad? You haven't said.
It's by far the best one.
While Chris was doing his tasting, I was having my fabulous Pinot Noir.
Tasting this up. This the nose is great on it. I didn't taste any of it though. This is a 2023 Gewürztraminer.
I'll grab it. All the time. It's one of my go-tos right now for sure.
I like Gewürz when they're nice and dry, fruity, like you're saying, but then they're not like overly floral. Some Gewürzes can just be, it's like eating a bar of soap or something, you know what I mean?
I don't really chew on either.
Yeah. That's excellent. We'll cut you about that. We have to still.
Yes, I agree.
One of the best Gewürzes in Northern Michigan, definitely.
Yummy. So good. 2 thumbs. Love it.
What are you trying?
Cab Franc.
Nice.
42 Cab Franc. I had this a few weeks ago and it was really good. John was pedaling it too.
So, B and John.
Mm-hmm.
It should have been doing your tasting room. Yes. Yeah, for real.
When you first taste it, it seems like it's going to be like a little tart, and it's not. It's so smooth and creamy.
How was it?
Very good. It's very good. 1-2 cab, very good.
Bonus benefits.
Yeah, that's what was.
So you guys do cider flights, you do wine tastings by the glass. Anything I'm missing?
Oh, we do 1 foot slushies.
Slushies?
We have hot drinks in the winter.
Yeah.
Slushies, ladies. I said it in my videos, but then I'll be like drinking one.
In like every video, you gotta have a slushie now.
Smells full body Merlot we've done.
I want to try that.
It's so good. Touch of tobacco, but in the right way.
Is it good?
It's very good. Merlot?
Yeah, that's good. That's good. That might be my next fave. That's good. Get it, Charlie? Rove has a great outside area. They have a covered porch along the building that leads out to a beautiful patio. And they have a huge tent area with an outside bar. They can comfortably accommodate a lot of guests out there.
In my opinion, Rove is the most beautiful winery on Leelanau Peninsula, and one of the most beautiful in the whole Traverse area. It's the highest point on Leelanau Peninsula, and you can see miles and miles of rolling hills in the distance. It's a truly amazing place, and if you're lucky enough to catch a sunset here, you're really in for a treat. Special thanks to our friends Charlie and Meg. They're great, and they make sure we have a phenomenal time every time we go to Rove. Thanks a lot, ladies. We had a blast.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep the journey alive. Cheers!